In this video, I will be going to talk about data management options. You know that we have select, insert, update, delete commands in relational databases like Oracle, SQL Server. In the same way, we have these commands in vector store or vector databases. For example, for select, I have already shown you get function, and I will also tell you how you will be going to select data using metadata option. I have already shown you insert command by using the add documents, like we added the documents and converted into embeddings. We can also update and delete. So in this video, I will be going to explain you how you will be going to select using metadata, update operation, delete operation. Let me switch to Visual Studio and I have already written the code. So this is my embedding model which I am using, and I am calling this Chroma class, and here the same collection name and same Chroma folder I am using. So I am creating an object which is VectorDB object, and I am just getting all the details of the collection 1, and I am loading all the details in result. Then what I will do, I will be going to print this result, and if I execute it, I got this result, and here you see I am getting all the IDs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then these are all 5 documents, but I want to display like this is the ID and this is the corresponding document. This is the second ID and then the corresponding second document. Then this is the third ID and the third document. Like this I want to show. So what I can do, I can change this result a little bit. Here I will use print result, and in bracket I will be going to type here IDs. So here I will be going to type IDs because here IDs is written, and in another case I will be going to print the document. So I copy this documents and paste it here, and I will be going to run the command again. So here I got 5 IDs in the form of list. If you see, this is a list, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 documents also in the form of list. This is first document, this is second document, and so on. But now I want to combine these two lists. This is list number 1 and this is list number 2. To combine two lists, I will use the zip function. So there is a zip function. With the help of this zip function, I will combine both the list. So this is list number 1. I will put comma, and this is list number 2. Now what I will do, I will use the for loop. So I will write for id comma doc in zip list 1 comma list 2. So I am using a for loop, and now I am going to print the id first, then I put colon, and then I will be going to print the doc. So that is how I will be going to display. So actually what will happen, zip will combine this particular list and this particular list, and for loop will work one by one. So what is the first ID? This is the first ID in this list. And what is the first document in this list? This is the first document in this list. So what will happen, this first ID will be assigned to this ID, and this first document will be assigned to the doc. Then I will be going to print it. Now then the loop will work second time. Second time this will be the ID, and this is the second document of the list because they are combined. So this value will go in the ID and this value will go in the doc, and that will be displayed. So like this the data will be combined. So if I show you this output, So here if you notice, this is ID number 1 and this is the document, this is ID number 2 and this is the second document, this is ID number 3, this is the third one, and so on. So now I don't need to print these commands, so I will just comment it. Now you see I will update this particular document. Here you see there is a software engineer which has experience in Java and Spring, but I want to update it with different technology, let's say SQL Server integration services, SQL Server, like that. So actually I want to update this document. So before update, what I have to do, I have to include the document class. So here I will write from LangChain dot schema, I will be going to import the document class. So that's fine. Now you see I will be going to write one updated document. So this is the updated document which I have. This is the metadata and these are the page content that it's a ETL developer with SSIS, SQL Server and strong background of data warehousing. So now this is the updated document and I will be going to update this particular ID. So I have told you these IDs are automatically generated. So I will be going to use this ID to update it. So what I will do, here I already have vector DB object. So what I will do, I will be going to write vector DB dot, this time I will write update document, and when you see the update document, it is asking for document ID and what document you want to update. So here the document ID is equal to this document ID, which is B7A2, like this. So I will put this document ID in either single quotes or double quotes. Then I will put comma and the second option is document. So my document is equal to updated doc. So at this particular ID, you see document will be updated. Then I will be going to display it. So to display it, what I will do, I just copy this result and paste it here so that I will be going to get all the information and put it in the result. Then I will cut this particular loop and paste it here again. So first I am performing the update operation and after update I will be going to display it. So if I run this now, so here if you see this particular ID, now it is showing ETL developer of 7 years of experience in SSIS, SQL Server and data migration. If you want to delete it, so delete is also possible. So just what you have to do, here you have to again use vector DB object and after that you have to use the delete function, and in delete function it will be going to ask you the IDs. So here you see ID should be in the form of list if you want to delete multiple IDs, but I have only one ID, so I just copy this ID and paste it here, and let me comment this particular command. Now I am just running this delete. So you see this ETL developer will be gone and there will be only 4 in the output. So if I run this now, so now I have 4 documents only, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that command also worked fine. Let me comment it out also, and let me comment these things also. Also, I will show how to search based on the metadata. So here I will write vector db dot similarity search. Here you see this time I will use query as blank because I am not passing any query. I am not using any k value, but what I am using the filter value here, and in the filter I will write a dictionary and in the dictionary I will be going to write the metadata information. So it is written also filter by metadata. So here in the dictionary I will pass the name, because name is defined in the dictionary, and I will use the name as Alice. So Alice is one of the candidates which is present in my database, and I will be going to equate it with the result, and I will be going to print this result. So this is the search by metadata option. So here you see I get the details of Alice, and Alice is data engineer with the experience in Python, SQL and building ETL pipes. So I got the data perfectly. In the next section I will be going to start with the retrievers.